Lacing with ribbon is a great way to add your personal style to clothing, accessories, or home decor. Let's get started with this simple over-under technique. Start at the bottom with both ribbon ends even. Begin lacing, alternating sides and ribbon ends. Tie with a soft knot or bow. With this next technique, we are using 12 grommet holes. Take the ribbon on the left and lace it through the top of the fourth grommet on the right, and then underneath through the adjoining grommet. Now bring the ribbon to the top of the second grommet on the left, and then through the adjoining grommet. Bring the same ribbon up through the top right grommet. Now follow along as we lace the other side. Tie a bow to finish. This looks really great on costumes and pillows.